Glasses are so expensive, so I decided to build my own out of Lego pieces. These glasses are adjustable, which means anyone can wear them. Shall I try them on? They're very comfortable to wear, and finally I can see. Everything is in Lego. So what do you think? Do I look smart or silly? By the way, can your glasses do this? Oops. Hold on. Hold on. No. Oh, that's okay. Let's try again. Can your glasses do this? If you would like to build these two, step-by-step tutorials coming up next. I just noticed both sides are not symmetrical, so I just need to switch this piece here. Now both sides are symmetrical. And here they are, all complete. I wonder if I can use them for reading or chopping onions. When I'm not wearing them, I keep them on a stand. Lego head does the job just fine. I will be back soon with something new.